Hello friends, welcome to the Star News channel. In this video I would like to send you the following content. Biden Supreme Court pick Ketanji Brown Jackson testifies for second day, live updates. Jackson cites Justice Amy Coney Barrett as she dodges question on court packing. Jackson agrees U.S. still at war with radical Islam. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson said she doesn't quite remember the basis for the Dred Scott decision of 1857, which declared that people of African descent were not U.S. citizens. Jackson made the comment during questioning by Senator John Cornyn, R. Texas, who said the Dred Scott decision, which treated slaves as chattel property, was a product of substantive due process. Jackson responded, "The justices have interpreted the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment to include a substantive provision, the rights to due process. They have interpreted that to mean not just procedural rights relative to government action, but also the protection of certain personal rights related to intimacy and autonomy. They include things like the right to rear one's children. I believe the right to travel, the right to marriage, interracial marriage, the right to an abortion, contraception." Treating slaves as chattel property? Cornyn interjected. "I don't quite remember the basis for the Dred Scott opinion, but I'll trust you, that's Jackson said." "The fact is," Cornyn interrupted, "is it not that you can use substantive due process to justify basically any result? The court has identified standards for the determination of rights under the 14th Amendment, substantive due process," Jackson replied. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson dodged questions about court packing from senators, saying she'd follow the lead of Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett and not wade into policy matters during her confirmation hearings before the Senate. Senator Dick Durbin, DL, prefaced a question to Jackson about court packing by reading a quote from 2020 when Barrett declined to answer questions on controversial public policy matters. "I will not express a view on a matter of public policy, especially one that is politically controversial, because that is inconsistent with the judicial role," Barrett said in 2020, according to Durbin. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson agreed with Senator Lindsey Graham, RSC, when he stated Tuesday that the United States is still at war with radical Islam. "Do you personally believe that Al-Qaeda, ISIS-type groups are still at war with us?" Graham asked the Supreme Court nominee. "I think yes. I mean," Jackson began. "So we're still in a state of war with certain elements of radical Islam to this very day," Graham interjected. "I believe that's documented." "Yes," Jackson replied. Jackson has defended her work as a federal public defender amid criticism for representing Guantanamo Bay detainees following 9/11. When Graham claimed the recidivism rate of Guantanamo detainees is 31%, Jackson agreed with him that number is terrible. Thank you for watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications when we post newest videos. Thank you and goodbye.